last night. And you sleep last night.
Why?
I've been thinking of you. Honestly. I've been thinking of you. Hi. Now, whatever I'm gonna book was so quickly. Honestly.
Nice one.
It's okay. In fact, when you have me, only small, you will be home. Just tell me what you need. Tell me what you want me to do for you. In fact, I give me my ene, pick your account number. Then when I go to the bank, I need the money. I like to pay. I will call you. You call. But you let me ask you one question. Where will this our love end? It will end inside your grave. Oh yes. That one love will end inside your grave. It's only go 6 feet. But one nag will dig 6 feet. The one looking at it, they will not dig up to 6 feet. Again, you four wide and 3 deep. Oh, target shell. Now that day the love will end. So Mazoko, this is what you do in my house. Your tea. If you open your mouth to tell me rubbish, may we teach you to teach you no. I could shank as an honor, you stupid, useless girl.
You know, my class is my class.
Your class rape.
My class,
clanus, or your climax. Your credibility.
You have to allow me to explain.
Okay, go on. Oh, father, go on. Principal of our school, go on. I'm listening. Explain.
You have to have patience. Just calm down. Calm down. Let me explain.
No, I am down. Come on, I'm down. Start explaining. 1 to go. I need an explanation and you are still keeping me quiet. Ihe ọbụla ga-ekwu na akwụ ya na maka Chineke ụmụ okorobịa na-ebu na this compound at this minute. So they keep telling me that one elderly man used to come. I'm not going to. So it is you. Hey! You work Ekele Maria. What Ekele? What are we greeting? What is the greeting all about? The greeting is just to come and define my daughter. 16 years, ordinary. Are you not ashamed of yourself? This girl is what to be your grandchild. Eh? Give me basket in this. Leave my compound now before I pour you hot water. I said leave.
Let me drop one word for her.
Any word you drop your tribute. Eh? Oh yes. That last word I will tribute to my and go back on a funeral oration. Leave my compound. Leave on there. No, let me help him. No, say it. Idiot of no incomparison. I'm a matured old man. Come, hey, where are you going to? You come back here. Your name is supposed to be Shame. Yes, your real name is supposed to be Shame. Shame is not ordinary shame with a capital letter. Look at you. Turn around. Just look at. Just look at you. Did you see the mirror before you? Did you see who was standing before you? A deity. Out of all the many, if it were a young person, I don't have a problem. I will not even shout. I will just chase him away because it is only who has something good that he go to come to his house. But look at that man that just left here now. No wonder every year you keep having bad dreams. He got a try and get Roger. Kill me. They are killing me. Why would they kill you inside you? When you are mingling with an ROC. Kill kiss a lady and an enemy. Or what you say, could me with a fort to get my enemy disappear? What will you tell me? I'm ashamed of you. I'm ashamed of you. Little children like you do have a choice. For you are choiceless. Do you think it is to paint your hair? Paint your hair? Is that the end? The next time I will see him here. The next time I will see him here or anywhere close to you. The music I will sing, Oga will surugede. Surugede egunde mo, unu ga agbachi otaya phone la. Now get out of my sight. Out! And come back here. I hope you didn't wear this nonsense outside. Better. Come, get inside. Frustrated human being. Now they can nigga. I want to sugar. That was how your mother saw me the first day. I want to get sugar. She didn't even let me finish. I love you. Sugar family. Nonsense. I forgot. Go and thank your stars. I'm in a good mood. You have regretted coming into this country. Every day I keep on chasing people away. Is it only this compound we have beautiful girls? Must he be here all the time?